Hello everyone, Julie here. I am very excited because it is that time of year again where Sephora does their Beauty Insider sale. So this is huge. They only do it twice a year. They do it in the spring and they do it in the fall. And depending what type of Beauty Insider you are, you can get anywhere from 30% off to 10% off. Just kidding, it is totally 20 to 10% off, which is insane. I feel like no one really does like site-wide pretty much sale. There are a few exceptions on Sephora, but for the most part, everything is on sale, which is insane. And like I said, you get anywhere from 30 to 10% off. Again, it is 20 to 10% off, whether you shop online or in store. So I'm gonna be sharing with all of you kind of the top items that you need to get and take advantage of this sale right now. I am gonna be sharing some hair care, some skincare, and some makeup products that you all need that are my favorites. So if you guys want to check them out, then keep watching. So first we're gonna start with hair care, and these are three products that I cannot live without. And first is the Moroccan Oil Hydrating Styling Cream. I actually used it this morning before I blow dried my hair, and this thing has been game changing for me. I've been using it for a really long time, and I feel like it really just helps protect my hair. It also gives my hair just the extra shine. I feel like just keeps my hair overall a lot healthier. And yeah, I just really love it. Also, it smells amazing. All of Moroccan Oil's items smell so good. So anytime I see something from Moroccan Oil that I haven't tried, I know I need to get it, and I know I need to try it because it's gonna be awesome and it's gonna smell super good. So I highly recommend this guy. Again, it's the Hydrating Styling Cream, but Moroccan Oil also has a bunch of like gift products where you can get a bunch of their smaller items. I also use the oil. So I will put links for obviously this guy below, but I'll also put some links for their like bundle packages. They have some awesome bundle packages. So if you're looking for something for yourself, or if you're looking for a gift, stocking stuffer, something like that, I'll put links down below. But love this guy. Again, I use this before I blow dry my hair while it's wet. It is technically kind of like a leave-in styling formula. So leave-in conditioner kind of, but pretty much what it says on the back is it's gonna eliminate frizz, add definition and shine, while the pure argan oil conditions and hydrates the hair. So pretty much is the best. I love it. You guys definitely need to get this. And then for nighttime, so I did have extremely damaged hair. I actually did a whole TikTok about it. I'll put the link for that below if you guys want to check it out. But this is one of the products that saved my damaged hair, and it's Kerastase 8-Hour Magic Night Serum. This thing is like the holy grail of fixing damaged hair. I love this thing. It is a nighttime serum, so I put it on at night and my hair is dry, and then in the morning I'll just take a shower and wash it out. But I honestly feel like this hands down is one of the products that saved my hair. I was dyeing it a lighter color and it just got so damaged, and then I started using this and it is the best. Again, if you guys want to check out the video I show before and afters of my hair, I will put the link down below. But this thing is amazing. All of Kerastase products are awesome, but love this. Again, I feel like this is what really saved my damaged hair when it was not looking too cute. And then last but not least, in the hair care division, I absolutely love Living Proof's dry shampoo. I have been using this for years. I don't know how I ever lived without it. I just feel like it is the best dry shampoo out there. I've actually mentioned this before in some of my other videos. I just really love it. I feel like it eliminates the oil, but doesn't make my hair too dry, but also smells good. It doesn't leave like a ton of white residue. It does have a little bit. It's not like the kind that is like color matched to your hair, so you get one for brunette or blonde. So it does shoot out white, but I feel like all the other ones that also shoot out white, I'm like really having to scrub to make the color go away, and this one's not like that. I spray it and leave it for a little bit, and then just kind of like really mix it into my scalp or rub it into my scalp, and the color goes away. But I love this. I think, again, it is one of the best dry shampoos out there. So You guys should get this. I also believe they do have a bundle on this, and they have some minis, which would be awesome for travel. So I'll link just the regular bottle, but I'll also link if they have any bundles or any packages that you guys can get. Next, I'm gonna go over a couple of my makeup favorites that you all need. And first is this Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer, and it is their Natural Skin Perfector, and it has SPF 30 in it. So this thing is amazing if you wanna have just like a very light coverage, but also have that SPF in it. I don't wear a ton of foundation on my face. I'm not the kind of makeup girl that puts the heavy foundation on. So this is just perfect for me. Also, I feel like with all of us, you know, staying home a little bit more, not going out as much, we don't need a full face of makeup, but we still need to protect our face from the sun. So the fact that this has SPF 30 in it is a done deal for me. It covers what I need it to cover, but then it also protects my face from the sun. So yeah, it is their tinted moisturizer. So if you are looking for something that really covers, this won't be the one for you. Laura Mercier does have some other awesome foundations, so definitely check out their entire line. But if you're looking just for like a nice tinted moisturizer with SPF in it, this one is amazing. And if you have similar skin tone to me, I did the 2W1 Natural, so just letting you know that is the color I used. And then next, this is like my favorite. It is Tarte C's Surfer Curl Mascara. Sorry, my dog is playing with her toy. She is obviously very excited about this as well. Molly, do you have to do that right now? BRB. So like I was saying, it is Tarte's C Surfer Curl Mascara. So I have tried a ton of mascaras and none of them are as good as this. I don't know what it is. Obviously it's like the formula and how the brush is, but it curls my lashes so well that literally it looks like I'm wearing fake eyelashes. I will go ahead and put a before and after here that I got off their site, but this is literally one of the best mascaras I've ever used. So I highly, highly, highly recommend it. Tarte does have just like an awesome selection of mascaras, and I've actually used a couple of their other ones. I'm trying to remember what it's called. It was in a purple tube, but I switched to this and I just feel like this is even better, and they like perfected their mascara. So if you guys are looking for an awesome mascara, get this one. It is so good. And then last but not least, had to share a setting spray, and it is Urban Decay's All Nighter Setting Spray. I've mentioned this before in some of my other videos. This is the best, hands down, setting spray I've ever used. It really just sets my makeup and holds it all day long. Also, little trick, I use this when I put on my eyeliner. So I use a, oh my God, I can't even think what it's called. I use a powder eyeliner. So I use some of my eyeshadow and it's a darker color, and what I do is I actually spray my brush with this, and then I stick it in the powder, and then I put it on, and literally this not only keeps it like, I feel like it makes it a little bit darker because it's like a brown, and it just like makes it a little deeper, darker brown, but my eyeliner is there all day long. So I also use it for that, which is awesome. But like I said, this is one of the best makeup setting sprays I've ever used. I've tried a bunch and nothing comes close to this. I know they also had bundles on this guy, so I'll put this one down below, but I'll also put the bundle. I think they had 2 minis in a bundle. I'm not sure, or maybe it was just the 2 of the regular size, but I'll definitely put those down below for you guys. And then last but not least, I'm sharing my must-have skincare items. And first is Guerlain's Abel Royale Youth Watery Oil. I actually posted about this on my Instagram stories. I don't know if you guys saw it, but this oil is so amazing. I feel like ever since I used it, my skin is like brighter and smoother. And I feel like it just, I don't know. I feel like I drank a ton of water for a really long time and then got beautiful skin, but I just used this. It also has these cool little like micro beads in it, and I feel like that also helps with just like making my skin look younger and smoother. I really, really like it. It is a little more expensive, but I think it's totally worth it. And it is one of the best oils I've used. And It's just really awesome. To be honest, Guerlain's like whole line, even all their makeup, they just have really great products, and I feel like all the ingredients in all their products is just like top notch. So really, really love all of Guerlain. Next is Algenist Liquid Collagen. Okay, this thing is so amazing. If you guys can't see, literally my bottle is empty. I need to go and order another bottle. I go through this so quickly because I use it pretty much every night, and it really has just helped like plump my skin. Also, I kind of feel like the next day my skin feels more hydrated. So I actually use this in combination with Guerlain's oil. I'll use these both together. So I've seen similar results, obviously, because I'm using them together. So with these two, my skin is more plump, it's smoother. Again, I feel like it's like I drink a ton of water and it just is like glowing. So I love these. I actually started using the Algenist before I started mixing in Guerlain's oil, and I saw those results with that before adding the oil. But I feel like ever since I added Guerlain, it's just, I don't know. I feel like the results are just even more, and then they also are a little bit faster. So if you guys want to get really beautiful skin quickly, use these two together. Next is my Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. This is my favorite cleanser, and like it says on the bottle, it's ultra gentle, so it's good for if you have sensitive skin. I don't, but I just really, really love how this feels on my skin. I love how it smells. It kind of has like that honey scent, and it's just my favorite facial cleanser. I use this after I take off all my makeup and just kind of do another like facial cleanse to just kind of get everything else off. Or if I don't wear makeup that day, it's just the cleanser I use to just like kind of get off the day's ish dirt, whatever. Obviously it is pretty much empty, so I need to get another bottle. Love this. Like I said, it's one of my favorite cleansers, and I get it from Pharmacy. And then one more from Pharmacy, my Ride or Die. It's the Honeymoon Glow. I have mentioned this before in some of my other videos. I also did a TikTok about this and how it completely transformed the texture of my skin. I kind of had like little bumps on my skin, and then ever since I started using this, they are completely gone, and literally I saw results within like one use. So this thing is amazing. It is an AHA resurfacing night serum, so for some people it's a little tingly on your skin, so I would definitely test out a little patch of your skin, but I love it, and I actually kind of love the tingling feel. But like I said before, it has truly transformed the texture of my skin, and it is literally my favorite AHA serum. I've tried a couple others, but it doesn't even come near this one. And again, this is Pharmacy's Honeymoon Glow. So that is it for my must-haves from Sephora. I would definitely take advantage of their sale going on right now and get some of those items. It's only lasting until November 9th, so you guys have a couple more days to shop. Again, like I said before, you can shop in-store or online, and you get anywhere from 30 to 10% off.
And again, one more time, it is 20 to 10% off.
But thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and also check me out on Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.